In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your followers on Pinterest. This will be a quick walkthrough designed for the desktop website, and by the end you'll know exactly where your follower count lives and how to view it confidently. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before we begin, since the follower information is tied to the profile you're currently using. Start by opening your web browser and going to Pinterest.com. If Pinterest asks you to sign in, enter your credentials and continue to your home feed. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your photo, your initials in a colored circle, or a generic silhouette if you haven't set a picture yet. That icon is your quick gateway to everything related to your account. Click the profile icon to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Profile. This takes you to your public profile page where you can see your name, your bio if you've added one, and your boards and pins. Give the page a second to load fully so all the counts display correctly. Right under or near your profile name, you'll see your follower information. Pinterest typically shows a followers count alongside a following count. The followers number is the one that tells you how many people are currently following you. This number updates automatically as people follow or unfollow, so it can change over time. If the count looks low or shows 0, don't worry. That can simply mean you're just getting started, or it may take a moment for the page to refresh. If the layout on your screen looks a little different, try widening your browser window or scrolling slightly. Pinterest occasionally adjusts where these numbers appear based on your screen size. Also, make sure you're on your profile page and not the home feed. Your profile is where the follower information is displayed. If you still don't see it, refresh the page to prompt the latest data to load. A quick tip for clarity. The followers count represents the number of people who have chosen to follow you, while the following count shows how many accounts you're following. Knowing the difference helps you gauge your reach versus the content you're keeping up with. And remember, your follower count is part of your public profile, so it's visible to anyone who visits your page. That's all there is to it. By going to Pinterest, opening your profile, and looking just under your name, you can see your followers at a glance and keep track of your growth over time.